before, there's not a lot to do in Chainat. It's not a tourist town by any means. Last time I was here I went to the zoo, and which wasn't very good. I didn't like the zoo at all, but I went to the aquarium and that was very good. If you look back on my videos from about two months ago, you'll see that if you're coming here, that's not to be missed. But today I'm going to come to the Chainat Bird Park. I'm not very big on these type of places, I'll be honest with you, but there isn't a lot to do in Chainat unless you want to go to a temple, and there's millions of them. So May and I have come and we're going to have a little look at the bird park. Very nice hot day. Okay, go and see how much it is. Charges 30 baht each to get in. It's 100 baht if you are foreign. But because I had a Thai driving license, they only charged me 30 baht. So 30 baht, it's probably about $1 to get into a theme park. Very, very, very cheap. So this is the shop in the bird park. I've got lots of lovely things here. Birds in cages. Christmas birds. They'll be going cheap soon because Christmas is over. Every bird you can imagine. Massive shop. And of course, Buddha. You're always going to get your Buddhas. May's just bought a hat. How much was the hat? 160 baht? 169 baht, and it's got little flowers and a bird. So, very tranquil, very beautiful place to come. Massive big statue of an eagle there. And up there, the temple up the top. For such a small town, Chainat's got so much going for it. It's got one of the best aquariums that I've ever visited, and Chainat Bird Park is the biggest bird sanctuary in Asia and covers a surface of about 600,000 square meters. Unbelievable, you get this for 30 baht entry fee. If this was in Los Angeles, or if it was in Paris or somewhere like that, you know, you'd be paying a fortune for it, but here it's $1. Oh well, actually, even if you were in Koh Samui, or if you were in Krabi, or if you were in Phuket or Pattaya, it's probably going to be a lot more as well, because it's a tourist trap area. But here, really, you're only dealing with local people, so they keep the prices down. was a very nice day out. I wasn't expecting it. When May said she'd take me to the bird park, I thought, yeah, we go, because there's not much else to do. But I thought it'd be not such a great experience. But it was fantastic, very nice. You can spend about half a day here. Only cost you taken us to a little place just down the road from where she lives, actually. It's called the Best Steak, and it backs onto rice paddies and got a little lake in the middle of it with tropical fish, and then has water features in the lake system. Lovely little area. You can sit outside under these individual little huts, and it really is nice and relaxing. Not only that, it's very cheap, like most things in Chainat. I got a pork steak with French fries and salad, tom yum seafood, and papaya salad with rice, and a large chang beer and a soft drink. Came to 375 baht. Arrived back in May's village area, and there's a festival going on. They're still partying over the New Year period. It seems to be a never-ending party, and what they're doing is they're parading through the streets. They go around all the streets to up and down, dancing and drinking and having a fantastic time, and they'll probably end up going down May's Soy or May's Street, and because she knows all these people, so I think they'll all be coming past there sometime today with their little celebration. Reminds me of Mardi Gras when I was in Mexico. It's very much the same as that, same sort of atmosphere. So as you can see, the party continues. Continuing the street party. May's niece and her husband have a music business, so they've set that up outside the house, and they're continuing to party for New Year.
Oh
And right on cue, here comes the Mardi Gras style celebration that's we saw earlier on the street, and it's heading down Main Street now. Seem to be the longer the day goes on, the more they drink, the more louder the music gets. But fantastic atmosphere. It's been a very good New Year. I've really enjoyed it. Sorry I couldn't do the video of New Year's Eve at Maze, but as I said, I had trouble with the camera. So a new camera's on my wish list for next year. Tomorrow I'm heading to Chainat Bird, which is about a 2.5–3 hour drive from here. May's staying here for a few more days, and we'll meet up back in Wahin when I finish in Chainat Bird. I'm heading there because I want to do a video on the bridge of the River Kwai, which I hope will be of interest to you all. So thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It'll cost you nothing, I promise you, and you'll be contacted every time I put a video on, so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, thanks very much once again, and I'll see you in Chainat Bird. If you haven't already done so, please push the subscribe button. If you're thinking of retiring or living in Thailand, please take a look at my book, The Retiree Thailand Handbook, the first 6 months. You'll find it on Amazon. It's crammed full of information to help you tiptoe over the logistics of making Thailand your home in retirement. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. So until next time, stay safe, keep smiling. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.